How to log in Target RedCard online account. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Target RedCard, which is now known as Target Circle Card, is a type of credit card offered by Target Corporation. It can be used at all the Target stores on Target and also at Target's affiliated stores. For this, you just have to log in and access your Target RedCard or Circle Card. For this, open any of your web browser and search for target.com. Now click on this profile like icon and there you must see the option of Target Circle Card. Previously the same card was known as Target Red Card. Once you tap on it, it will take you to official site of target.com and then take you to the sign in portal. Next up, you need to provide your email address and password to get signed in. With this, you will get logged in into your related Target Red Card account as well. This way, you can activate it and use it whenever you like. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.